All right. Kindly react if you can hear me. Kindly react if you can hear me. Let's join, let's join, let's join. It's ongoing. Let's join the call. Let's join. If you are on this call, kindly join. can hear me, go to the group chat and type I am on live. I am on live. Type live, type live, type live. If you can hear me, type live. If you can hear me, type live, 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 live. If you can hear me, type live. If you can hear me, type live. If you can hear me, type live. I need people to respond, respond, respond. Type live. So if you can hear me, type live. Join the call, join the call, join the call. All right, so we'll be kickstarting. I want more people to be here. I need more response. Kindly like if you're here. Okay. Okay, hello. Okay, people are coming on board. Okay, this is amazing. Live. Okay. So welcome to the digital marketing workshop. Kindly like the video as well. Like it. We'll be starting now. All right. So kindly like as well. So welcome. More people are coming. Kindly like as well. So as you are dropping a response here, please drop a response on the group chat to tell people to come on board. Let's drop live here. Be kickstarting. All right. So I will be I'm super excited about this. Super excited. So will be commencing now. All right. So my name is Brahms. Yeah. So and we'll be starting the digital marketing workshop. So like I want to see us like the interaction. There are more people that are not on the group. So if you are here, go to the group chat and type I am live. I am live. Let's get more people on board before we kickstart. This webinar will run for over 1 hour 30 minutes. So let's get it started. All right. So the concept of digital marketing. Please, if you can hear me, type I can hear you. Type I can hear me. If you are here, if you can hear me, type you can hear me. I want to see our response. If you can hear me, type you can hear me. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Perfect. All right, so let's get started. So the concept of digital marketing, I'm going to be taking us through it now. So I want us to follow through everything. Then, what is traditional marketing? So we'll be kickstarting now. So digital marketing is broken down into various concepts. So it's broken down into various concepts, and one of the concepts digital marketing is broken down into, one of them is traditional marketing. So I'm going to be showing us the different variation of marketing that happens, so that we can also get to understand what is going on. So the first concept of marketing is what we call the traditional marketing. So the first thing you will say, traditional marketing, right? So traditional marketing basically is a form of marketing that uses offline media, because I'm going to allow us understand the growth of digital marketing as a whole. So when we can understand digital marketing, then we can understand how digital marketing evolved. All right. So we can now understand how digital marketing has evolved. So let's keep going. So the first concept I will say here is traditional marketing is an offline method to reach an audience. So in other words, basically if you want to sell a shoe, like the people that run kiosks, what are they trying to do? They are doing traditional marketing. What they are running is a form of traditional what? Marketing. So the people that sell shoes, the retail sellers, what they do is a form of traditional what? Marketing. Traditional marketing. So traditional marketing has to do with any form of marketing do not need that do not need online selling. So this will be very critical. Any form of marketing that do not need any form of online selling is what we call traditional marketing. So I would want us to get the full scope because this will help shape what we'll be doing. So any form of marketing that do not need online selling is traditional marketing, because I'm going to be taking us through a whole lot. So I would want us to put our mind into it. Now, basic form of traditional marketing include newspaper, include print media. The another form of traditional marketing is your billboard. Remember, I told you any form of selling or any form of marketing that does not involve online selling. So you are not selling to anybody online. This one you are not going any form of online. Is you're practically doing it offline. All right. So if you're on this, please, if you're live here, please react, so that I know people are here. Please react. So if you are here and you can hear me, please react. Please, if you are here, kindly react, kindly react, kindly react. I want to know if you are here. Please write I can hear you. If you can hear me, type I can hear you. Let me know if you can hear me. Please, if you are here, kindly type I can hear you so I can know. All right. So any form of offline method to reach your particular audience is what we call traditional marketing, and then it includes um, newspaper ad. You have your newspaper ad one. You have your print media. So your billboard, newspaper ad, mail advertisement, TV and radio advertisement, they are all form of traditional marketing. So I want us to actually get this concept, because we're going to be advancing into different form of marketing. So we say traditional marketing channels. They include one, we have your billboard. Another one is your flyer. Another one is your radio broadcasting. Another one is your referral, and the last one is your TV advertisement. So basically, they're not these not form of online. Even your TVs, they're paying your TVs is what we call jingle. When you do things, you pay radio, you pay TV. So far, you're not doing it online. So it's traditional marketing. All right. Please, if you get what I just said, kindly react in the chat box that you understand what I just said. So far, it's not happening online. It is traditional what marketing. So far, there's no form of online selling going on. It is traditional marketing. All right. So your radio jingle, your TV advertisement, they are called traditional what marketing. Your radio jingle and the rest, they are called traditional what marketing. So that would help us understand the whole concept of what is going on. All right. So we are going to digital marketing now fully. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing basically is what we call the use of websites, apps, mobile device, social media, search engine, and other form of digital means to promote your product. Remember, traditional marketing does not involve any form of digital means. Now, digital marketing involve, so far you are selling online, you've entered digital means. So I want us to establish something so that we can get the concept. All right. So far selling is going online. You have started what digital what marketing. So far selling is going online. You've started digital marketing. So this will help you understand the entire game of what is happening here. So basically, we say a digital marketing can now flow into two ways, because I want you to understand, because if we can establish this concept, it will help you in what we are doing. All right. So we will be able to establish some various concepts of what is happening. All right. So digital marketing also involves various forms. First, we have the online video, display ad, search engine marketing, paid social ad, social media posts. So digital marketing is often now the basic concept, because I want you to get a bigger picture of what is happening here. Digital marketing involve online sales. Traditional marketing involve offline sales. So if you will be selling online, you've started digital marketing. But if you are selling offline, you are running traditional market. I don't know. Do we understand the concept? Can you react in the chat box if you understand what I just said? If you are selling online, you are doing digital marketing. But the moment you begin to sell offline, you are doing traditional marketing. So I just want us to be able to understand the difference. All right. So that would give us a very good ground. Because and then digital marketing is so broad. Some people think digital marketing is only how to do with Facebook ad marketing, which is a very bogus concept. It's beyond that. Digital marketing is beyond just Facebook ad marketing. Digital marketing involves a whole lot of concepts. So we'll be going. So we said digital marketing is also called what? Online marketing. It is a promotion of brand to connect with potential customers using the internet or other forms of digital communication. This include not only email, it also involves social media, web-based advertisement, also text and multimedia messages. So we'll also be going to that. So because it involves these various form also makes up what happens there. All right. So let's keep going. Please, if you are following, type I am following. Type I am following. Let me know if you're following. Type I am following. If you understand what I'm saying, please type I am following. If you're following, type I'm following. I want to see people that are following what I'm doing. So type I'm following. For if you are here, please type I'm following. So let me see people that are following. So that would help you get the benefit of digital market. So we're going to I want us to understand the concept. So we've been able to establish that digital marketing is the concept of selling online. Traditional marketing is the concept of selling what? Offline. So whenever you are selling offline, you are running online market. But if you are selling online, you are running digital market. All right. So that would give you a whole good concept because I want us to be able to flow with what we are doing. All right. So let's keep going. So now benefit of digital marketing on its own, we say one of the first benefits is it gives a broad geographical reach. A broad geographical reach. So now what you can reach more people. Secondly, it is cost efficient. So now what the efficiency is there, right? So it's very cost efficient. You don't need to spend much. So in fact, the fact is, I'm going to give you a concept. I remember running something for a school. A school they were overspending on ad. I remember them. This school, sorry, they were printing flyers basically. So and then they were spending over 200K on flyers, and then they were giving to everybody. They wanted to invite to their school. They were giving to everybody, even the ones that want to come and the ones that don't want to come. So and then after they spent over 200,000, they will get like one or two parents. I was not telling the school owner, why not just give me 100,000? Let me run ad for you, right? You will get over 40 to 50 parents that will come to this school to look for you. She was so shocked. She was like, is it true? Is it possible? I said, give me half of that money. So when she gave me 100,000, she had over 80 parents come around. So you know what? That has to help us give you a broad view that what digital marketing is very what cost efficient. In fact, offline marketing is so expensive. The concept of printing flyers alone is expensive. So offline marketing is so expensive. So digital marketing is way cheaper, and then you can measure your results. You can know conversion because in this class I'm going to also cover you on Facebook ad because I want you to understand something. I want us to come to a place where you will not get the whole concept of what is being done in digital marketing. All right. So you'll be able to measure results. Here you'll be able to measure results. Know, are you converting? Is this converting? What is the result? What am I getting? And all of that, right? So that would help you get the concept of what is going on. So that way we'll be able to understand, okay, this is happening and this is what I need to do. Okay, so we said you have more connection with your customer, definitely. Yeah, you'll be able to connect more with your customers. So you'll be able to know, okay, this is what is happening. This is why my ad is not performing. Yeah, I'm going to teach us on how on everything Facebook ad. We'll do Facebook ad, we'll do Twitter ad, we'll also cover Instagram ad and all of that. So I'm going to carry us so that you'll be able to measure result and see why this is not performing and why this is performing. So this is form of digital. But digital marketing on its own is very broad. So it involves also email marketing. It's also what we call SEO marketing. It's also what we call SEM marketing. So all of this makes up the marketing strategies that happen. All right. So another thing that also happens here is easy and convenient conversion. You have easy and convenient conversion. So conversion is easy at this phase. So now what you can easily convert. You have convertible ads. All right. So why that is also going. You also have global and regional reach. There's an ad I ran. There's a company that reached out to me from Pakistan. The guy paid, is it $500? Said they wanted to run an ad for me. I'm in Nigeria, but the ad should be focused on UK and Canada, and I did it. So in other words, you can target your ad if you're looking for a bigger audience. There's ads I run for to cover Ghana. I run different type of digital marketing classes. There are sometimes if I want to target Ghana, I can target Ghana, but that is impossible with offline form of market. All right. So in other words, you can target different location with digital markets. Then you have strong ROI potential. ROI has to do with return on investment. So in other words, this one you're not spending money anyhow. You are seeing how your investment is converting. So yeah, you can see, okay, this investment is making sense. Okay, it's not making sense. I need to adjust this. I need to fix this and all of that. So here you are getting the concept of what is happening. So you have brand awareness and then flexibility. So this happens where you talk on website traffic, where you can also build brand awareness. Then you boost brand, and here you can see, that sometimes you will run ad. There's one point period I was running ad for concurrently at two locations, right? One was a video ad, one was a text ad. So I was noticing that the video ad is performing more than the image ad. I can pause one ad and continue with one other ad. Yeah, if you notice conversion is not coming like that, you can switch and then pause one ad, then see what is not making it convert, then fix it. So yeah, yeah, different is different from your normal marketing, because you can't pause. If something is not working, you cannot stop it. You know what? You will print. Let's say you have paid for a radio jingle, and they are talking about your program on a radio station. You can't know if people are seeing it. You can't know the amount of people that are hearing your jingle. You don't know. You are not the thing is not targeted to your audience. See, there's a friend I know that she spends close to 100,000 on ad daily. But then there are sometimes she hardly converts. She was using a particular person. So she was complaining to me that, sir, my ads are not converting. Spend 100,000. I told her the reason is the person you gave is inexperienced in understanding how to target those ads to the right audience. There's what we call ad targeting. So that thing I'm going to also teach us. Now, know this year, everybody is not your market. So most times, many of us we want to reach everybody, and we think everybody is for us. No, everybody is not your market. So the moment you have that conviction that everybody is not your market, you will now know what you need to do differently, and then you not so it's not better that it's not help you to target your product to the right people, because everybody is not your market. So if you are targeting your product for everybody, you will waste money. So in other words, why not use that your 100,000? Because the guy was using 100,000 to target a whole wider audience. I said no. There's how we can use that 100,000. We'll target your audience. So you know what? Instead of doing 1 million people, why not find 200,000 that is your audience? Target them. There's no how you will not collect a high chunk because these people are your audience. So offline marketing does not target your audience for you. So you know it's more like you are putting water inside a basket. So anyone will catch. But now with digital marketing and ad targeting, you can target your audience and grab them. That will help you. All right. So there's what we also call cross-channel digital marketing. Please, if you get what I've just explained, react in the chat box. I understand. Can we react? I understand. I understand. I understand. I want to know if I'm carrying everybody along. If you understand what I just explained now, react in the chat box that I understand. Yes, I understand. I understand. I understand. I want to know if I'm carrying everybody along. If you understand what I just explained now, if you understand, please leave a comment in the chat box now. Let me hear. I understand. I understand, so that I know everybody is following. All right. So this would help us. This will help me know I'm carrying you guys along. So react in the chat box if you understand what I'm saying. All right. So I will proceed. So cross-channel digital marketing. So cross-channel is just English. What does it do? It involves both offline and online method of digital marketing. So and that one is just both offline and online method of digital marketing. So that is just the difference. So now you should be able to distinguish between traditional marketing and digital marketing. I just wanted us to have a good picture. So cross-channel is the concept where you involve both traditional marketing and digital marketing. Now, traditional marketing is a marketing that involves offline marketing. Digital marketing is a marketing that involves online. Please, I hope I've been able to pass a message. So you should be able to understand the concept between the two. So traditional is online, digital marketing is offline. All right. So let's keep going. All right. So we'll be going now into the anything gritty. Now, there's what they call a marketing funnel because I'm going to allow us to understand that digital marketing is so broad. Most people think digital marketing is all about Facebook ad. Is so broad than that. And then I'm going to also show you how to because there was a friend that designed a website, right? So he reached out to me. He said he wants to be able to know how many people that are coming on the website. That the way he is now, he does not know. Want to ask. So he said he wants to know. I was telling him it's very easy. So I told him what he should get, an application and all of that. So and that was in Google Analytics. So I'm also going to be covering and explaining Google Analytics to us here, right? So you have access to a whole lot here, so that we'll be able to understand. So once you are living here, you are able to understand the nitty gritty of what you'll be learning, right? So that would help us get the basic concept of what is going on. So a marketing funnel here is what we call, it's also called buyer funnel. Some people call it consumer funnel, conversion funnel, sales funnel. So a marketing funnel basically it represents the customer journey. So is the funnel that tells you the customer process. So if you notice a funnel, how does a funnel, especially if you're buying fuel, how does a funnel looks like? The mouth is wide, right? The mouth is wide, then it slims down, slims down, slims down. So in other words, what the concept of marketing funnel does is trying to tell you at first you will take everybody, but everybody is not your audience. So there are different criteria that will stream them to your target audience. So I want us to understand because some of us might have heard the word marketing funnel. So this place would give us a basic concept. So marketing has its own funnel. So in digital marketing, we have a particular funnel we use to gauge our audience. All right. So a particular funnel we use to gauge our audience. This will help us understand what is going on. So there's what we call funnel. Now, what is the concept of the funnel? One, the funnel is used basically to help us understand our audience and tailor our approach according to them. Now, this thing happens because there was a guy that was running an ad. She had a fashion app, a fashion brand. So there was how she was running the ad. She's running the ad like maybe they're selling real estate. I told her that is your problem. Now, you need to understand how to tailor your marketing for your audience. So imagine somebody that is running a fashion brand. How you run your ad, you must make sure your videos and your designs are just fashion, they are stylish. A real estate person, his design might not be too stylish, right? But yours, you must make sure it's so stylish because you are talking about fashion here. So if you are pushing that kind of ad, your design must be top notch and be very presentable. So I want us to understand the concept because if it's very presentable, then you can now understand, oh, this is a fashion app. Oh, I like this. I like that. Because one thing about fashion is fashion must be appealing. So you must understand your audience and tailor your approach what accordingly. Another thing is what identify and address weakness in your customer journey. We're also going to be talking on that. And then lastly, you are now meant to what contextualize your marketing results. I'm also going to cover us on how to analyze your marketing results because here, you don't just run ads. You should be able to analyze what you are running. All right. So this is how a funnel looks like. Please follow me. I want us to get the whole concept today. All right. So the first funnel is what we call awareness. Now, awareness in itself basically is this. Now, remember on the group, I told you also group chat or group links saying come a digital marketing funnel, a digital marketing free digital marketing class will be coming up. Are you all joined? Right? So there was awareness. Awareness was there. Out of the group, it's not everybody that is from that group that is here. But the truth is, awareness was made to a lot of people in different groups. But you guys joined. Now I'm trying to explain the funnel using you guys so that you can get the concept. So awareness was done basically. So awareness was done basically that got a lot of you here. So there were the links was run. I did some ad on some places. Some places I sent group links. Now out of the groups that you were in, some of you joined. Now some of you joined, but awareness was done to everybody in that group. So awareness is like you are telling everybody. But get the concept. I want you to understand something. If you're telling everybody, everybody is not your audience. There's something you should take critically from this place is that everybody is not your audience. Because I want you to get a concept. Because once you can establish that fact that everybody is not your audience, it helps you. So once awareness was done to different groups where we send the link, now you saw the link at the group you were before you came here. What do you consider it? So consideration is that part where you're not like, okay, let me consider this thing. Let me try it out. So at that particular point, you tried it out. So consideration happened at that phase. So once you tried it, you considered it. So the moment you consider it and you joined the group chat, the moment you consider it and then you join the group chat, that is what we call conversion. So all of you that are in the group currently, you were converted because the first thing is you saw the group, you saw the group link, right? So the moment you saw the group link at the different groups you were at before now, you consider that okay, this might make sense, let me try. Then the moment you join this group, you were converted. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So after you join the group and you are now here for the class, you are loyal. So I want you to understand the process. So in other words, awareness was done to different groups with the group link. You consider that, oh, okay, let me give this a, a try. So after you gave it a try, you joined the group. Then you became converted. But for you to make it now to the live class going on now, you are loyal. Please, if you understand what I just explained, because I'm trying to make us understand the difference between awareness, consideration. So there are four marketing channels: awareness, consideration, conversion, loyalty. So please, if you understand what I just explained now, drop in the chat box. I understand perfectly. Let's drop it in the chat box if you understand what I just explained in the marketing funnel. Right? I understand perfectly. Please, right? I understand perfectly if you understand what I just explained in the chat box. Right? I understand perfectly. For people following up, right? I understand perfectly. If you understand what I just dropped in the chat box, right? I understand perfectly. Right? So that I know people that are following, okay? So that I can go back if need be. So that will help us know what we are doing. Okay? So we're now going to, we've explained the funnel. So now, get the concept. The funnel illustrates something that